Accessing the dial pad. Hover your cursor over the phone status area at the lower right-hand corner to access the dial pad. Click the up arrow if you wish to lock the dial pad in place. Manual dialing. You can place manual calls by typing a phone number directly into the dial pad, or by clicking the phone number headers on a lead profile. Dial pad settings and features. Clicking the wrench icon opens the caller ID settings, where you can select any available number in your gateway to use for manual calls. If you select default with proximity matching enabled, your dialer will utilize a phone number with the same area code or state as the lead you are calling if you have one available in your DID inventory when it dials. When selecting a number, ensure you click Update to set it. Below, you can also configure headset settings, including microphone, speaker, and ringtone volume. You can access voicemail messages from inbound callers by clicking the blue cassette icon. Here, you can review the timestamps, play, download, transfer, delete voicemails, or add the lead's phone number to the internal DNC list. For other commonly used features, you are able to open an additional line here if needed. Users may also contact another team member directly through Readymode by selecting the user from the directory while both users are signed in. The last feature we will discuss is a Request Assistance button. If an agent clicks this button, an alert will appear on their station of the office map to notify anyone monitoring that they require assistance. For more helpful videos, visit help.readymode.com.